Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. Well, we got a mail call going on today. What did we get come in? Well, it looks like Jason over to Jason's Garage Incorporated. He wanted to get in on this broken window challenge. Look at there, he's holding that spider crack in there pretty good, keeping it all together for me. Doc Art, you've joined the club too. Both of you guys, you're now official part of the Fairlane Build. How? Because you're holding this window together for me. You've joined Jeff over to 162 Customizing, Buzz for the No Name 500 and for Roadkill Customs, and Jeff over to the Two Hacks Garage, Jeff and Kyle. And there's more hacks involved too, but you got to watch their channel to be able to spot them all. He's doing a 69, 68 Ford Thunderbird that is just wild. And they got a GTO and they got Mopar, and he's actually restoring an old funny car. I'm not going to give much more away. You got to go check out their channel. Anyway, like I said before, if you want to get him in on this and help me fix this broken window, that big old crack there and all these spiders, all you got to do is look up my email on my homepage. Send me a quick little email, title it sticker exchange, broken window, I don't know, and send me your address in there. I'll throw a bunch of these BareRose Garage stickers in there and I'll send them out your way. Yeah, you can stick them on your toolbox. You can stick them, I don't know, stick them somewhere. Everybody tells me where to stick it, so I'm going to leave it up to you on where you want to stick it. I'm not going to tell you where to stick it. So, in the meantime, if you want to exchange stickers like that, send me an email. I'll throw them out your way. And in the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. Whew, it's starting to get a little warm out here. So I'm going to hurry up and jump back over there and get that motor ready to make some rumbling noise. We'll catch you on the next one.